Hi everybody, welcome to Adonia Academy. This is Maria here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this trending top forward cake. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please do subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So for this cake, I'm using this beautiful stencils by Sugar Base. I'll link description box if you would like to purchase it. Wash and thoroughly wipe the stencils and place it on your cake. I'm using the same white chocolate ganache because I wanted the exact same color. You can also stencil with buttercream or royal icing as you wish. Whatever you choose, make sure the icing is not very runny and it's a nice spreadable consistency. Once you have a nice coat of your icing on your stencil, pull it slowly to reveal the beautiful pattern on your cake. Next, take a serrated knife and cut the cake to about 2 inches as shown. I fill the cake with yummy whipping cream and bits of pineapple pieces as you can see. Now cover the exposed base with some ganache. I'm using dark chocolate ganache here because I don't have the exact color white chocolate ganache left. Make sure it's straight and smooth, otherwise your top forward cake will be tilted. After it chills in the fridge, remove your cake and transfer it carefully onto your presentation board. I'm also adding a layer of ganache so that it sticks and doesn't move. Chill this again and again spread some dark chocolate ganache onto the back of the cake. I would advise you to use only ganache, either dark chocolate or white chocolate, for the back base and the lower base so that it is sturdy and doesn't lose shape in this heat. The fillings, as you can see, you can use whipped cream, buttercream, or whatever you choose, but the outer coating, make sure it's sturdy. Once that's done, chill the cake some more and then you can decorate your cake as you wish. I'm just adding some fresh foliage onto the cake like so. I'm using some melted ganache to stick the flowers and the foliage to the cake. Once this is done, I'm painting with some edible gold lustrous, and that's it. Your beautiful top forward cake, which is such a trend now, is all ready. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Take lots of care. Until next time, bye bye.